Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Media Creation tool for Windows 11. First, navigate to the official Microsoft website to download the tool. Ensure your internet connection is stable throughout this process. You will also need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of free space ready. This drive will become your bootable installation media, so make sure it contains no important files. Once the download is complete, locate the executable file and run it as an administrator. The tool will then present you with the license terms and notices. Please review these carefully and accept them to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to select your desired language and the specific edition of Windows 11 you wish to install. Now, you need to decide which type of media you want to create. For most users, selecting USB flash drive is the easiest option, as it directly creates a bootable drive. If you prefer, you can choose ISO file to burn a DVD later. Ensure the tool correctly identifies your prepared USB drive before moving forward. With your selections made, the tool will begin downloading Windows 11 and creating the installation media. This process can take some time, depending on your internet speed and system performance. It is crucial not to remove the USB drive or interrupt the process until it is fully complete. The tool will notify you once your bootable media is successfully created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.